Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn off screen time without using your passcode on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to turn off your screen time so that you can simply uh, remove the restrictions or applied by the screen time on your iPhone iOS 26. So how you can turn off your screen time without passcode. So hope you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings again, and this time you have to look for the screen time, and you have to click on that. And here you options are available: app and website activity. As you click on it, will ask for the passcode. But if you do not want to use the passcode, though, if there is any option available, so we are going to look for it. So if you want to turn off the restrictions, content privacy and restrictions, and here you can simply click on that. As you click on that, it will ask for the passcode again. So if you want to turn off the restriction, then you have to provide your passcode. Otherwise, there is no such option available that you can simply turn off the screen time without using passcode. So if you want to change the settings, even for app and website activity, even for the communication limits, you have to simply provide the passcode. So if you want to change the screen time passcode, so here you can simply click on turn off screen time passcode. So if you click on turn off screen time passcode, it will ask for the passcode again. So if you want to turn off even the passcode, then it will not provide you to change the screen time passcode without even providing the passcode. So you have to make sure about that if you want to turn off the screen time without using passcode, then there is no options available. So hope you have liked this video. And get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.